Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an accountant user into your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an accountant or a bookkeeper into your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that accounting is best left to the professionals. And by adding your accountant or your bookkeeper into your QuickBooks, they can go in there and make adjustments. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an accountant or a bookkeeper, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on menu. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button called My Accountant. Okay, once you click there, it's going to give you an option to go ahead and enter in your accountant's email. Make sure you use the correct email because they will receive an invitation and they won't have access to your QuickBooks Online until they accept that invitation. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that email in now. Okay, so once you've entered in their email, you want to click on invite. Okay, a quick second later, this pops up saying that my accountant has to accept the invitation. So let me show you what that email looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the email. This is what it looks like. It just lets them know that they were invited as an accountant into my QuickBooks. So they're going to need to click on this button to accept the invitation. Okay, once they click on the link, they're going to see this. So they can go ahead and sign into their QuickBooks account to be able to manage my QuickBooks account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an accountant user into your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.